Hi, in this video, I will show you share complete Abraham Hicks morning rampage. Those of you who don't know what's a morning rampage he does is two things. Morning is it's a good beginning of the day. So you should start with entering a state of being which is positive, pleasant, looking forward to, welcoming the whole day, and affirming the day will be wonderful for you. Rampage is more of a longer form of affirmation. You're going to hear the whole thing now, just a second. And she does it in a rampage, like a longer, continuous affirmations and puts you into the state. Let's listen to that, and I'll give you more commentary at the end of it. This is a little bit of a longer morning rampage, but I think it'll give you a good idea what the whole thing will be. Just 1 second, let me start this for you.
Good morning. It's a good morning. So you wake up. It's a good morning. It's a good morning. This is a good morning. This is a really good morning. This is a new morning. This is a new day. This is a new vibrational point of attraction. This is a new beginning. This is me new into the world. This is me choosing my vibrations more deliberately. This is me in this good morning being aware of the way I am feeling. This is me being in touch with my emotions. This is me, a good morning. This is me in my good morning, being aware of the value of my emotion. This is me, new in this day, with a vortex full of all kinds of things that are readily, even immediately, some eventually, all eventually available to me. This is a really good day. This is the beginning of me deliberately tuning myself to the frequency that allows my receptive mode. In my new day, in this good morning, more than ever before, to be in the receptive mode. The receptive mode of everything that I've intended, everything that I've asked for, everything that I've put into the vortex, all that I've become. Full alignment with all that I have become. This is a good day. This is a new beginning. This is a new beginning for me. Good morning. This is a new day. Today, everything in my world will respond differently to me than it has ever before. Because while I slept, all momentum subsided. And now that I'm awake, I'm taking care to focus in ways that will allow my receptive mode. I know that I am an extension of source energy. And I know that I've come into this physical time-space reality with purpose. And I know that this time-space reality has served my purpose well. I sifted and sorted and decided, and I've come to all kinds of conclusions about things that are important to me. And I've put them into my vibrational reality where they have been tended to by you, Source, you, who is at the basis of my really good day. I like knowing that you are aware of me, and I like knowing that you will go everywhere I go today. I like knowing that you'll be in on the conversations with me, that you'll be aware of what my intentions are, that you will care about the people that I am interacting with, and that you will know what their intentions are. I like that this broader view that you hold is available to me, and I like that whatever I'm ready for now, I will feel an impulse about. This is a really good day. As I move through this day, contrast will still exist, and from it, I will find more things that I desire. I know that in this really good day, that those contrasting experiences are not me being off my path, but still being on my path. I embrace the contrast that comes today, and I keep it in perspective because I understand that it's not me leaving my path. I understand it's me still on my path. doing what I intended when I came into this time-space reality. So I'll sift and I'll sort, and I'll come to yet new awarenesses of what I want. And all day I will be keenly aware of the way I feel. I expect that in this day, reality. So I'll sift and I'll sort, and I'll come to yet new awarenesses of what I want. And all day I will be keenly aware of the way I feel. I expect that in this day, I will feel good all day long. Good within contrast because I understand it. Good with my deliberate attention of focus because I understand that. Better today than ever before because I'm consciously setting forth my intentions at the beginning of this day to utilize my guidance system in the way that I intended to use it when I came into this physical body to begin with. This is a really good day. My vortex is full of manifested potential. My vortex is a now reality that I can feel my way into. Today I intend to feel exhilaration about things not yet manifested because I understand the reality of them. I now get what true faith is. I get what true belief is. It's an understanding of the way the universe works. It's an understanding that vibration precedes manifestation. It's an understanding that the vibration is a reality. It's an understanding that I can achieve vibrational alignment with that vibrational reality. It's an understanding that I can find that feeling of well-being even without the manifestation. I embrace this really good, unconditional day. Today will be full of conditions. There will be driving and traffic and people and business and commerce. There will be conversation. There will be all kinds of information about all kinds of things. And I accept that as the basis of my manifested reality. But there will also be insights and emotions. There will also be knowledge. There will also be information coming from source. There will also be me in the receptive mode. This is a really good day. I will have more awareness of my vibrational reality today than I ever have before. I will be more aware of the way I feel than I have ever been before. And while I will be moving about a physical, manifested, material world, and I will be embracing it, and I will be applauding it, and I will be appreciating it, I am also predominantly unconditional in my beingness today. Maybe for the very first time, at least better than I've ever been before. Because today, the way I feel is not dependent upon the conditions that have already manifested. It's dependent upon the vibration that I sense, the vibration that I'm tuned to, the vibration that I understand, the vibration that my source holds, the vibration that I have access to, the vibrational frequency of who I am. Today is a really good day. Today, I'm going to pronounce myself an emotional being, which means today I'm going to pronounce myself a vibrationally astute being, which means today I'm going to pronounce myself aware of my guidance system and using it to the best of my ability. I understand that the source within me is aware of where I stand in relationship to everything that I desire. And I believe with all that I am that my inner being is guiding me along the path of least resistance, which also happens to be the path of my greatest joy, the path of my greatest clarity, and the path of my most fun. So I pronounce today, on this really good day, that no matter where I am going and no matter what I am doing and no matter who I am doing it with, that it will be my dominant intent to hold myself in the place of feeling good. Today is the day that I pronounce as my day of greatest appreciation. Today is the day that I pronounce as my day of greatest awareness. Today is the day that I pronounce as my day of greatest emotional awareness and emotional response to my awareness. Today I am pronouncing myself a liver of unconditional love, unconditional clarity, unconditional alignment, unconditional attunement. Today I am tuned in, tapped in, turned on to who I really am. Today I intend, to the best of my ability, to fulfill myself as I have meant to be fulfilled. Today I'm going to look for reasons to feel good, and I will find them. And if I stumble upon something that doesn't feel so good, I will revel in the perfection of my guidance system, and I will make the adjustment today.
Now that you listened to this long one, almost 9 minutes long, a couple of messages to you. First of all, you don't have to make it 9 minutes. That's the representative, little longer version. You can keep a shorter version of 1 minute, 2 minute, 3 minute, even 30-second morning rampage for yourself in your own words. And again, it doesn't have to be a rampage per se. It can be simply a series of affirmations. Now, what rampage means is that you're going on ranting about, wow, it's going to be a great day and good morning. Yes, I'm in a good mood. It's going to happen. Today is the day. That is the rampage. You go a little bit longer with a series of affirmations. Again, you don't have to keep it 9 minutes, or you can keep it as little as a minute or two, whatever you want. That's one. The second important message is that the morning one is more effective mainly because it's the beginning of the day. You want to set the mood, you want to set the frequency, you want to set the vibration high and positive when you start the day. Because as you know, the day goes along, you're going to have more headaches, more issues, more surprises, but your vibration starts to go down with maybe a bad news, things you don't expect. But at least you start high. If you start low, guess what? You're going to only go down further. That's one reason. Secondly, that the morning is especially effective mainly because you break the day from the previous day's issues. When you go to sleep, all your things get neutralized. You drop your old headaches or problems at night. You normalize your frequency to some extent. You recharge yourself, and basically your momentum slows down at night when you sleep. And it could be a positive or a negative moment. Even if you have a negative moment when you went to sleep, let's say a bad day, hopefully you don't, and sleep will neutralize it, lower the momentum into more calm and neutral momentum. Same thing with the positive momentum as well. Sleep is a momentum neutralizer or slows things down, which generally is good. Now in the morning time, you want to kickstart the momentum again in a positive way. That's why. So in summary, you can use this one, but more likely I would recommend you write down a short version of the Rampage or a morning affirmations, if you want to call it that way. You can call it Rampage in Abraham Hicks mode. And then recite that first thing in the morning when you get up, and so keep the positive mood. I also will give you a shorter version of morning Rampage affirmation, like a 1 or 2 minutes if you want. I have other videos coming in. I also have a midday and end of the day Rampage affirmations as well for you. But today let's talk about this one here. Hope you enjoyed this. If you did, I trust you'll give a thumbs up, like and share and subscribe. And I will see you in the next video. By the way, I have my channel Manifesting the Best. I'm 𝐰𝐰𝐰, and I have a free ebook and a free manifesting class you can join. You can sign up in spiritualuniversity.org, and it's also in the description, and I will see you there. There are follow-up videos on the same topic with other rampages, other short affirmations, other day affirmations for you. Look for that and search for my video there. I will see you there. If you like the video, please subscribe, like, and share this. Thank you.